Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to change the side button to power off menu. So by default, pressing and holding the side button on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, this activates Google Gemini, as you can see, or your Bixby voice assistant. But you can easily change this so that you're holding the button opens the power off menu instead. So let me show you how to do this. So to change this, you want to go ahead and press the volume down button and the power off button or the side button. This will now bring up the power off menu. Now you want to go ahead and tap on side button settings. And here you want to go ahead and tap on long press. So as you can see, currently it's set to the digital assistant, Google. So you want to go ahead and change this to power off menu. Now you want to go ahead and press back. And now you want to go ahead and test it out. So now when you go ahead and long press on the side button, this will open up your power off menu. So this makes shutting down or restarting your phone much faster and more intuitive. No need to swipe through menus or use extra shortcuts. It's especially handy if you prefer a more traditional setup. So there you go guys, that is how to change the side button to a power off menu on your Samsung Galaxy device. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.